Okay, guys. Hey, how are you? I'll just wait for some people to get on because I feel like this is super duper important. It may not be that important to most, but it's super important to me, and I'm excited. So, hurry up, come on in. Hey, how are y'all? I'm outside. There's a reason why I'm outside. Who's that? Hey, Miss Barbara, how are you? What? Tink, get out of my face. I got things to tell the people. Who else is on here? Hey, who else is there? Say hi so I can see who's there. Because this is super important. I feel like you need to share this. I feel like you need to come on in and let me tell you what I have to tell you. This is super important. I didn't think I could do this, but I did it. I'm so pumped. If I can do this, anybody can do this. I'm so excited. And today is the day that we reap the benefits. Well, I reap the benefits, and you can reap the benefits if you want to. But reap the benefits of what I'm about to share with you. I'm so excited. Come on in. Come on in. There's 8 people that are watching. I need people to say hi and come on in and tell me that you're watching, because this is big. This is so big. Oh my God. I'm so pumped. I'm outside. I'm normally not outside because you might figure me to not be an outside person, but I really am. I like being outside, and there's proof in the pudding because I'm just going to tell you. All right. So I got this knife. You see this knife? All right. I'm losing people, so I'll get to the point. Okay. I have a knife. This is so exciting. This is so exciting. Guys, before I got married, my last name was Farmer, right? And I changed my last name. Well, I hyphenated my last name. I didn't change my last name, but I added to it. But I went on this whole venture of like, I want to do something new. I want to do something great. Hey, Savannah, there's a knife for a reason. I'm not going to kill anybody, but I am about to do something with this knife. So, long story short, I wanted to plant a garden. So I planted a garden. And most people be like, China planting a garden? Oh my God, oh wow. Is there too much wind? Tell me if there's too much wind. I'm just flailing this knife around like it ain't nobody's business. All right, I'm so excited. Okay, look it. Watch this. Guys, I grew a garden. Me. Wind. Chill. You just don't want me to be great. I just want to be great and tell the people about... Okay, God, do your thing. He just wanted me to tell you that he's great. God's great because he helped me grow this garden. Guys, I grew a garden. There is broccoli right here. Can you see this? Boom. You're about to watch me harvest my first plant ever. Okay, you ready? I'm ready. You ready? Okay. I'm so pumped. All right. Okay, I'm gonna come around here and do this. I'm so excited. Okay, you gotta get closer. Come in here and watch this. Get in here. Get in that. All right. You ready? Somebody share this. Somebody else share this, because I planted this. I planted this broccoli. I'm about to get in here and cut my broccoli. Look at that. Oh my God. I did this. Oh my God. This is great. Oh, I'm going to show you my whole entire garden. I did this in secret because I didn't want to fail. But I feel like, you know what? There's a message in that. I feel like if I had shared this, that I wouldn't have done so great. But if I kept it quiet, that somebody else... Oh my goodness. Do you guys hear this? If I had shared this with somebody besides my inner circle, I feel like this wouldn't have been a success. I feel like I probably wouldn't have come out with a great outcome if I had have gone too far and shared it with too many people. Anybody hear that? Okay, all right. So this is my... I'm about to harvest some more. This is my first one. Anybody else excited? This is so awesome. Oh, thank you for sharing this. Whoever just shared my harvest. Oh God, this is great. Okay, I have another big one over here. Guys, oh my goodness. You're looking at the ceiling or the sky. Okay. Guys, if anybody can do this, not just because my last name is Farmer, but because I really tried. I even went to the extent of getting chickens. I went and got chickens to use their poop, because I want to get fresh eggs too, but to use their poop to fertilize my soil. Guys, I'm harvesting my first crop. There's a message in that. You figure it out. But I'm about to reap the benefits of my garden. Do you see this? I gotta get low. The reason why I'm not pulling it up, because there's gonna be other sprouts that come off of the main plant, and I wanna get all of those sprouts too. There's a message in that. Anybody with me? Look at this. I grew that. Oh my goodness. It's as big as my face. Woo! 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 Guys, I can't tell you enough. This is great. Guys. Anybody else want to share? I'm not going to be like the little red hen who didn't share her hard work. Yes, Victoria, I am an elephant. Everybody don't need to know why. Okay, anyway. I only got the Trinity here because the rest of them aren't ready. Somebody will catch that. All right. This is my first harvest. I am my garden too. I don't know if you could see them, but I'm not ready to share that just yet either. What's the Little Red Hen story? You know the Little Red Hen. I think it's called the Little Red Hen. I'm not too good with the little, where when the Little Red Hen, when she asked the cat who was going to help her sow her seeds so that she could grow some wheat, so that she could make some bread, and everybody else, the cat, the duck, the mouse, the elephant. I'm the elephant. I'm not the elephant. I'm the elephant, not the elephant. But they said, not I, said the cat. Not I, said the dog. There we go. They were like, I don't want to help you. But then when that hen made that bread loaf and it started smelling so good, and she was like, you know what? My bread loaf is nice and warm. Anybody want to have some? Nope, you can't have none because you didn't help me plant the seed. No, you can't have none because you didn't help me mill the wheat or whatever it was. I don't know. Somebody else tell her what it is. But guys, I did this. This is so satisfying. Oh, man. How many plants do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 broccoli plants. I planted them all at the same time. But these ones were the ones that were ready for me to harvest. Oh, this is exciting. Anybody want some? I don't know what it's going to taste like. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash my broccoli, and then I will see how it tastes raw. Yeah, but I'm so excited. I've got broccoli, y'all. Like organic broccoli. Nothing put on it. Nothing, no pesticides, no nothing. I grew this from dirt and chicken poop. Sounds real disgusting, but yeah, you get it now. I'm so excited. Oh, that just does my heart so good. I'm so pumped. I got so jittery. Oh. It just makes me think, like, what else can I do? Well, we'll see in 2020 what else I can do. Because if anybody and they bouginess like me, I can do this. You can do it too. Oh, I'm not bougie. I'm not bougie. Yeah, I mean, I should paint my fingernail green. Both of them, just these two. For the rest of my life. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to do that. Maybe lime green. That'd be cute. I'm so excited. Excuse my me and my no makeup day. It's Saturday. That's why you got these to initiate. But anyway, guys, this is a whole meal. Did you know that on the broccoli plant, you can actually eat the leaves too? You can eat these guys. You can put them in salads. You can cook them down like collards. You can cook them with your collards. Yeah. I'm so pumped. Hey, Natasha. How are you? Oh, guys, I'm so excited. Oh, this is bomb. I just blacked you guys out. Look at that. I got this one too. This one's not ready. I don't know if you can see that. There she is. That's not ready. She ain't ready. It's not her time yet. It's not her time. Oh, man. Gosh. I did it. Get away from my broccoli that you did not grow. My dog is in the way. I grew this broccoli. I'm just gonna be right here with the broccoli and say thank you, God, for... I didn't know what I was doing, but you showed me the way. I grew some broccoli, y'all. You guys want it? How long did it take to grow? Oh, Melissa, I put the broccoli down. Actually, I can tell you in a second because I wrote it down. It was really fast. Honestly, when the florets start blooming, you better watch it for like at least a week or two, and it took off. Please don't fall. Let's see. October 2nd. October 2nd is when I put the broccoli in the ground, and it was like a little plant, and it looked like a little leaf. That's what it came out of. This is so rewarding. I just can't. Oh, this is so great. I'm a real farmer, y'all. Because I got chickens too. They're over there. That's Diva and Allie. My kids named them. Oh, man. You can do this. I'll tell you how. It's so easy. I'll even give you some chicken poop. Thanks, Melissa. Oh, this is great. This is so rewarding. I can't tell you. My family is going to be able to eat broccoli that I didn't buy from the store. That's super organic because I legit didn't put anything on it. This is great. All right. Well, I just wanted to pop on here and share with you guys my broccoli. This is gonna be... Should I try some? I'll try some. Let's do this. I'm gonna go rinse it off, and then I'll try some. I wonder if it's gonna taste like manna from heaven, because I grew it. And it's organic. I'm so pumped. This is great. All right, let's see. Let's turn on the light in here. Can't believe I grew my own broccoli. Oh, this is great. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna take break off a little piece right here. I'm gonna rinse it really good. I'm gonna turn on the sprayer because you gotta get in there because you don't know what's been outside. All right. Okay. She's getting a good car washing right now. Okay. Let's see. All right. So here's the broccoli. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh man, she's so pretty. Look it. Let's just take a moment and just admire how great this broccoli is that I grew. Okay, all right. I just need some ranch. This is good, y'all. This definitely tastes better than Publix. For sure. So, I'm gonna show you what I did. Okay, I'll share. Sorry, I'll share with you my garden. Again, excuse me. Again, I did this because I wanted a project, because I like doing things. I'm a DIYer. That is good. That tastes like butter. That's dope. That's real good. Okay. If you're just not jumping in, go back to the beginning. You missed out. All right. So I'm going to swap this camera around. Okay. Come on. All right. So I built this 4x4 little square thing here. I put in some soil. That's just some compost that I'm kicking back out here to replenish the nature of it all. Okay. So I just planted some soil, stuck down some stuff. What do I have here? I have some cabbage. I have some broccoli. Let's see. I have some more broccoli back. Ooh, broccoli back right there growing. Oh gosh, where are you going? Where are you? There we are. And I got some collard greens back here. Green beans, that was a fail. It was too cold. So then I just chopped up a half a potato, stuck it in the ground, and there you have it. A little potato plant. 2. Okay, God, I hear you. Y'all, God really showed up and showed me that I could do any and everything that I really put my mind to. Like, I really didn't know what the heck I was doing. I didn't. And I feel like 2020 is going to be a big representation I already know. It's going to be great. So, thanks for watching. I'm so excited. I have a garden back there. It's just a 4 foot by 4 foot garden that I just decided, hey, I think I want to do this. So I did it, and it was a success. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.